Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Samsung AC is not responding when you press buttons on the remote, it can become irritating, especially when you are trying to adjust the temperature and nothing seems to happen. Sometimes the Samsung AC may stay on but ignore commands, while in other situations it may not react at all even though the remote looks normal. This issue can happen because of weak batteries, blocked signals, remote connection problems, or a temporary communication interruption between the Samsung AC and the remote. Since the remote works by sending signals directly to the air conditioner, even a small problem can stop the Samsung AC from responding correctly. The big thing is that most Samsung AC remote problems can be solved with a few simple checks instead of replacing anything. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix a Samsung AC not responding to the remote. Try these. Step 1. Replace the batteries inside the Samsung AC remote and make sure the Samsung AC remote battery placement is correct. Step 2. Point the Samsung AC remote directly toward the Samsung AC sensor and remove anything blocking the Samsung AC signal. Step 3. Clean the front sensor area of the Samsung AC and wipe the Samsung AC remote buttons gently. Step 4. Turn off the Samsung AC from power briefly and restart the Samsung AC to refresh the Samsung AC system. Step 5. Test different buttons on the Samsung AC remote to confirm the Samsung AC remote is sending commands properly. Step 6. Try the Samsung AC remote again and confirm the Samsung AC responds normally to the Samsung AC remote commands.